Hello, English learner. Today topic is run with heart. We speak English together, slowly, clearly, and with fun. This story will help you speak. We use short and easy lines. Let's enjoy English with real life. Don't just watch, speak with me. Like, subscribe, and speak daily. Comment, ring the bell, and share it with the world. Let's start. Milo woke up smiling. That was strange. Usually, he woke up with a heavy heart and a hungry cat meowing near his face. But this morning, Milo woke up, smiling and Mielers, hide tu ver tu sins. What's wrong, Beans? Maybe for the girl to come back. Maybe for life to do something for once. At 10:15 a.m., he heard the bicycle bell. Ding ding, he turned. There she was, Juno, with her red hair flying, a big blue bag on her back, and a donut in one hand. Hey, Milo the jobless, she called. He smiled and waved. Hey, Juno the leaf girl. She parked her bike and handed him a donut. You saved me yesterday. Here, it's caramel. You had me at caramel, Milo said. They laughed. Milo was curious. So, what's sun camp? Some summer school for smart kids? Juno shook her head. Nope. It's a program for students who want to learn through fun. We travel, help people, plant trees, do art, make stories, and at the end of summer, we get a scholarship. Wait, did you say scholarship? Milo asked. Yeah, if you do all the activities and win some challenges, you can win $5,000 and get sponsored for university projects. Milo blinked. Why don't people know about this? They don't care about helping the world. They care about TikTok likes, she said. That hit Milo. He cared. He wanted to do something good. He wanted to be part of something. That night, Milo had a crazy idea. He pulled out an old notebook. He wrote in big letters, "How to get into sun camp without being invited. Plan A. Sneak in Plan B. Cry Plan C. Talk to Juno again." He laughed. Maybe I should stop dreaming, he told Nana Rose. But she smiled and said, some people climb mountains. You can climb this summer. Next day, Juno came back. Hey, Milo, want to come with me? We're painting the wall at the children's library. Milo blinked. Wait, I thought it was only for students who signed up. One kid broke his ankle. We need help. I told them you're smart and funny. You think I'm funny? Not funny. Haha. Funny weird. Milo smiled. I'll take it. They arrived at the library wall. It was big and boring, just plain white. Juno gave him a brush. Today we paint dreams. He dipped the brush in blue and started painting a cloud with books inside. Other kids painted trees with flying pencils, kids reading on the moon, a rainbow made of words. Milo painted himself standing on top of a mountain made of books. The teacher saw it and asked, Did you go to art school? Milo said, No, I went to the school of rejection. She laughed. At the end of the day, they gave him a paper, volunteer certificate. Milo, creative thinker, he held it like gold. That evening, Juno and Milo sat near. They ate pizza and watched ducks fight over bread. Why do you try so hard? Juno asked. Milo looked at the water. Because I'm tired of being the funny guy with no job. I want my life to mean something. She nodded. I get it. You're not lazy. You're just locked out. Exactly, he said. Juno took a deep breath. Tomorrow is an open talent day at Sun Camp. You can show any talent. Painting, storytelling, anything, Milo said. Do I look like a walking talent show? She smiled. Yes, but you need to believe it. That night, Milo couldn't sleep. He took his certificate and stared at it. He wrote something in his notebook. I have nothing to lose. I'll tell my story. He practiced in front of the mirror. Hi, I'm Milo. I have no job, but I have dreams. He cried a little, but he didn't stop. The next day was hot, super hot, like egg frying on the road, hot. Milo arrived at Sun Camp, nervous.
He saw kids playing guitars, doing dances, acting like birds, painting with their feet. Juno gave him a thumbs up.
You got this.
When his name was called, Milo walked to the stage. His hands shook. He opened his notebook.
Hi, I'm Milo. I don't have a job. I don't have money, but I have a lot of stories. People listen. When you fail 100 times, you learn 100 ways to get back up. When you have no job, you create one in your head. When the world shuts a door, sometimes I'm finally in. Sun Camp started for real. The first mission: clean up the old town park and build a reading hut for kids. Juno and Milo worked together. They painted signs, fixed old benches, and told funny stories to the little kids. One boy said, I want to be like you, Milo. Funny and kind. Milo almost cried. No, kid, be better than me. He looked at Juno and smiled. One afternoon, Milo found a letter on his bed. It was from Nana Rose. Dear Milo, I always knew your summer would shine. The boy with no job is now the boy with a mission. Make me proud. Love, Nana. He folded the letter and put it in his pocket. Let's do this, he said. One evening, Juno looked quiet. What's wrong? Milo asked. She looked at the lake. I didn't just come here for fun. I'm trying to win the scholarship for my sister. She has special needs. My family can't pay her school. If I win the prize, I can help her.
Milo looked at her.
No jokes, just respect. Then, let's win it. Together. That night, they watched fireflies in the field behind camp. Milo whispered, I thought I was nobody, but this summer, I feel like I'm becoming somebody. Juno said, That's what happens when summer is on top. They sat in silence. Stars above. Fireflies around. Dreams alive. At the end of the week, the Sun Camp leader called Milo to the front. We have a special award today for bravery and hope. Everyone clapped. Juno gave him a big hug. He held the certificate high. This one's for all the people still looking for a job. Don't give up.